In this video, I'll show you a few simple ways to reload a web page in Safari on your MacBook. Let's get started. First, open Safari and go to any website. Now the easiest way to reload the page is to click the reload icon in the address bar. It looks like a circular arrow. Just click it once, and the page will refresh instantly. Another quick and faster way is using a keyboard shortcut. Simply press Command+R, and Safari will reload the page right away. Now here's a powerful tip. If the page still isn't updating, you can do what's called a hard refresh. This forces Safari to ignore any saved cache and load the latest version of the page. To do that, press Command+Option+R on your keyboard. This is especially useful if a website is stuck, showing old content, or not working properly. Bonus tip. If you're constantly having issues with a website, you might also want to clear your browser cache, but in most cases, a hard refresh does the job. Alright, that's it. Simple, quick, and something you'll use all the time. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple and practical Mac tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.